I want to say hi. I've been in Lithuania for a month, visiting my dad, my stepmom, and my sister. And I want to say my brother's coming, and he's visiting his dad, his stepmom, and his sister, and coming with his girlfriend. And I want to tell you a bit about um the fidget pop. And this one I got on the internet. With if you get it on the internet, it's cheaper. Or if you get it in England, it's cheap. But if you get it in Lithuania, the thing what happens is they have to ship it in, so things are a bit more expensive. So if you're ever or you live in England, it's cheaper. But you can get in other countries like America and stuff. But the one what I recommend is to get on the internet if you can, if it's cheaper. You like say Amazon, eBay, and Apple companies do it as well. So I recommend go on. And this is the Hello Kitty one. This is the heart shaped one. It's all purple. You can get a heart shaped one, which is also rainbow. And this is the rainbow teddy bear one. And I'm just gonna show you what it sounds like. This is the soft side, as you can see. They have different sides in it, and they're all soft material made out. And if you do it on this side, it's the one side that makes sound. You find that more satisfying, and you can hear it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and a comment down below.